Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I have a special unboxing video, and I might have gotten what may be my very last one of these in a while. So I got probably what may be one of my last Homage watches that I may get for some time, because I kind of have what I want. This was the one that I really did want. I love the colors of it. I was trying to find a good Homage watch that I could afford, um, and I believe I found it. So I haven't unboxed it yet. I just got it, in fact, and it's to this movie right there. Perhaps you already know what I'm talking about, but it is the watch from No Time to Die, but it's the Homage. It's the Pagani design. So a Pagani watch. It's the No Time to Die watch. It was the mesh band. Um, and so let's see. Let's see. Let's open it up. All right. So we have got the cloth. A little bit of ASMR for everybody here. But so yeah, got my cloth. And it came with one. It came with. I had seen other people say in reviews like years ago that it came with one of these. The military watch strap. So I wasn't expecting this to be in the box. I ordered one separately, but it wasn't coming till tomorrow. But I couldn't wait to do the video. I really wanted to dive in. I'm probably gonna have to film a couple of spots and piece it together. But so wow, so I got one of these. So I'll have an extra one at least. But the one I ordered is actually the one from No Time to Die, where it's going to have the yellow stripes along the edge of the blue as well. So, but that's nice. I got an extra one of those. That's nice to know. And let's take a look at the watch itself. Okay, well, it's held in by just a little bit of foam. Oh, that's heavy. That's nice and heavy. And what else do we have here? We've got a kind of a guarantee card. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, just a little Pagani piece of plastic thing there. Anything else in there? No. Some other kind of a little card in there, but then the manual. So this will be the manual. Very nice. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the watch itself. So it only comes in a bag. Oh, whoa, I gotta be careful. I almost poured it right out of the bag. Oh, no, I had seen some reviews where some people weren't exactly happy with the mesh band, but I that seems pretty substantial. But everything is wrapped. Everything's wrapped. So let's start doing a little bit of peeling here. All right. So we're gonna. I was worried. I'm just because I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to take care of taking some links out or something on this watch. I forgot that I got the mesh band. Forgot that was in there. So okay. So let's just get this band unwrapped. Really? Do they wrap it all the way around? Might be wrapped all the way around, but is it one piece or is it just on each? Oh, it might be one piece on each. Well, that's a little annoying. That's going to be a little tough, a little hard to get off. Might have to 1 second. I have to cut this. All right, made a little incision there. See if it'll just kind of rip off down the rest. I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to do any damage to the band itself. There we go. Okay, so I didn't touch the band. All right, so there's that little bit is off, and the other side. There's some on the other side here, so let's get that. So this is a true unboxing here because I haven't we haven't touched it with at all. Let's see, get this to just kind of split up the middle there. And it's doing it so far. There we go. Just walking it up. And just one more. There we go. Okay. All right. So that bit of plastic is gone. And the back. So take off the little bit off the back there. Nice movement. And then a little bit off the front there. And I think I'm going to some smears on there. Hope this wasn't a return. It probably was. When I looked up on this, I was a little afraid. So I actually got this on sale. It was on sale on Amazon for $87. And so along with getting the it shined up nice. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well, there is a little bit of give with this. I had heard that a little bit too, that this was a little loose. It's not loose, so it turns. It's turning. It's got a nice click to it. There we go. But yeah, it is. It rocks back and forth just slightly. But that's not going to bother me much. All right, so we are going to try it on. Let's try it on. That is heavy. Oof, that is heavy. I like that. Okay, and then I think, do I just clasp onto there, right? Yeah, 1 and 1. Oh, look at that. It actually almost, it's kind of already fits. So it's already, it was already set. And it was running a little bit. So I'm kind of wondering if this wasn't a return, because some people have returned these. But actually, so far for me, boy, that's a good looking watch. I like it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So yeah, a bit of Yeah, I actually might have to make it a little bit tighter. There's a little bit of room in there, a bit of room. But let's see. So well, let's go ahead and take it off. I see how that works. That's not too difficult. I know some people said that it's kind of a pain to deal with, but that's not too hard. All right. Well, I'm gonna unwind it. Let's pull this out. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I know it said it'd go about 20 times. And then, oh yeah, what's the date today? Today is actually the 9th, so we're a couple days off. Now, I know the watch in No Time to Die does not have a date setter. There is no date. And one of the things I actually really liked about the Omega was on the second hand. So let's see if I could show you. On the second hand, the very tip of it is red, and it's not that way here. So it's just a regular. It's got, yeah, it's just regular silver. On the very tip, there's no red tip to this. It also does not have that other release button on this side of the watch. And but it's an homage watch, but it's got really close to the colors. It's very close to the look. The band, I think the band is just fine. I know some people, and it's got the quick release. So there's the quick release on the band. Let me see if I can just see what the movement. So yeah, there's movement. So good movement on there. Usually I try to see if I can. Yeah, yeah. So I can hear it moving and spinning. So I'll just tighten this up a little bit, and it'll fit just right. And so here it is. There it is. This is the Pagani design. And then now I have another one of these coming with the proper colors. So I have an extra one of these that I could use. I mean, now I've got another one I could use on one of my other watches if I want. I kind of like the idea of that. But this, like I said, this may be the last homage watch that I get for some time, because I have my Casino Royale watch. I have my now I have my No Time to Die watch that I really liked. I really did love the colors. Not my favorite movie, but there was some great style in there that I really did like. Um, and then I have like my just almost like a generic the black with the silver, um, which looks a lot like the watch from Live and Let Die, that Roger Moore wears. That Rolex that he's wearing in that. I think that's a Rolex, but so it's got that look to it. So I kind of have the watches that I like, and I have the other digital watches that I have enjoyed, like the so I got some Casio versions of the Seiko watches that I like from some of the older Bond movies. So at this point, if I were to get any other watches, it would have to be like the actual watch. I have enough homage watches that fit the style that I like in the watches from the movies that I've enjoyed. And so if I were to get any more watches, it's going to probably it would have to be the real deal. I will probably never be able to get an Omega watch. But so I'm good with this. So if I like the real deal, when I say a real watch, it would be like a Seiko. If I could find like the one from For Your Eyes Only, that one I would really like to get. And then The one, I mean, you can get the Casio version of like the Spy Who Loved Me Seiko watch. So some of those things possibly down the road we'll do that, but I am definitely going to enjoy this watch. It's going to be a lot of fun to wear. I love the color. I'm sold. I'm already sold, and I haven't even worn it that much yet. So anyway, I hope you appreciated this video, and I know these watches are controversial, but I I I try to achieve a certain style, but I don't have the money to go all the way and get the actual products. So this is how I can get that look that I enjoy and that I really like, and still stay within that budget. All right. Well, again, I appreciate you checking out the video. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye.